Good afternoon, everyone. Let's give it a minute for everyone to join. Okay, I think everyone is here. Welcome and thank you for attending our webinar on how to perform bulk updates on your CRM data. This is a question I get from most of my customers, how to perform bulk updates. So I hope today's webinar is going to help with that. Just a quick introduction for those of you who don't know me. My name is Codruța and I'm a CSM here at Prospect, and my role is to make sure you get the most value out of your system, and I will be guiding you through today's session. I'd also like to introduce my colleague Daniela, who is also on the call. She's an experienced member of our team. Let's look at today's agenda. We've got 5 key topics to cover. We'll start with an overview of the bulk update tool, explaining what it is and how it can be used. Next, we'll go over the necessary permissions required to use the bulk update tool and how you can obtain this permission within your organization. We'll then explore some of the most common scenarios where bulk updates can save you time and effort. After that, we'll walk through a practical example of how to update account managers across multiple companies, showcasing the efficiency of the bulk update tool. And finally, we'll demonstrate another example where we'll update contact and company categorization, highlighting the tool's flexibility and power in managing data at a scale. Now that we've outlined what we will cover in today, I want to talk about what you walk away with by the end of this session. So these are the practical benefits that you will be able to implement immediately to make a significant impact on your CRM data. First, we have efficient CRM management, where the bulk update tool allows you to swiftly update, move, or categorize large volumes of CRM records across various levels, ensuring data management is both quick and scalable. The second practical benefit is data obsolescence control. While the tool offers powerful data management capabilities, it's important to note that deletion is not possible. Instead, records can be marked as obsolete, a process that is irreversible. And another benefit is secure updates. Specific permissions are required to use the bulk update, ensuring that only authorized users can perform significant changes, enhancing data security and integrity. And we will go straight to our demo account, but firstly, I just want to make a quick introduction of what is the bulk update tool. The bulk update tool allows you to quickly update large volumes of your CRM records at all levels of hierarchy, including standard and custom fields. You can perform bulk updates on data in your CRM, for example, delete records, move records, or change records. An important piece of information that I would like to add here is that the bulk update permission does not apply to quote lines. All users can bulk update quote lines. So we are now in our demo account. Just give me a second, please. Yeah. So in order to be able to use this feature, you need organization admin rights to create user and amend user permissions. So to navigate to the user settings, click settings on the menu that we have on the left side, and then we just click on user. Here, if you can see this button, invite new user, if we press on it, you just, sorry, I have some technical issues. Here, you will just have to enter the new user's email address and click the invite button. The newly added user will now show in Manage User List, which is this one, and they will automatically get an invite email to the address specified. You can also revoke their access just by pressing on Show Details. For example, I will just take Adila as an example. Here you will just scroll down and see Revoke Access button. Just press on it and then save. And like that, you just revoked the access. So how to edit a user permission is our topic right now. It's simple. You just have to click on Show Details to the right user, on the user. And for example, we have Anna Busby. We just have to press on Bulk Update and then Save. And like that, we just gave her permission to perform a bulk update on data in your CRM. Another thing that I want to show you here is that, for example, Amber Shafet, she's another organization admin, but if we press on Show Details, we can see that she already has bulk update. She can perform bulk updates. Why? Because she's a CRM admin. So in our previous example, Anna was not a CRM admin, reason why we have to give her permission. Okay, so now that we clarified what permissions are required to perform bulk updates, we'll talk about common use cases for performing bulk updates. So we'll go to More Reports and click on All Reports. I will choose All Open Problems as an example for today. And before going to the bulk update button, I will change the filter from here just so I can show you all the cases, and I will include the deleted records as well. The bulk update tool can be accessed by clicking the further option menu, these three dots, and clicking on the perform bulk option. By clicking this option, you can then select the records that you wish to change, or you can select all of them. But in this case, I will just select a few of them. And here you can see within the, once you're happy with your selection, you just have to click on Choose Action. And here you can see that within the bulk action tool, you have 5 different options. To move records, to be under a different record. For example, you want to move all the problems now from a contact to another. So we selected these three records, and now I want to move them to another contact. Then we have update fields that can change a particular field on the records. For example, we can update all the salesperson on the problems from a previous employee to a new starter in your sales team. And then just click Update. We can update tags where you can add or remove them. We have delete records. This will delete all the records selected by you. And we have restore records. This will restore all the records selected to be active if deleted. Now I will show you how you can update account managers and companies. For that, I will go to People and Places, and I will click on the companies. Here, before you perform the bulk update, you can apply filters to get a more precise list of companies. And we'll go to Filter and add, for example, industry to bulk update the account manager or of all companies within a certain industry. Now that I apply the filter, click further the option menu, 3 dots in the top right hand corner, and select Perform Bulk Action. From here, you select the companies you want to update. Again, here you can select all of them or just few. I will select, for example, these 3. And once you selected them, click on Choose Action and Update Fields. You'll then be presented here with all the fields you could bulk update. From here, select Account Manager and let's choose Charlotte, as an example. Once you've selected the correct account manager field, click Update in the bottom right-hand corner to perform the bulk update. And here, just update. It's taking a few seconds. Now, for example, if we go on this company profile, we can see that the account manager is Charlotte Perry Evans. And the same here. For the last thing on the agenda, I will show you how to bulk update contacts to either be B2C or B2B contacts. In the navigation menu, you have to click on People and Places. We are already here, and this time we have to click on Contacts from the drop-down menu. Here, we just have to click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the report and select Perform Bulk Action. This then gives you the option to select either all of the contacts or, like I said before, just few of them. But in this case, I will select all of them. Once you've selected the contact, click Choose Action button. And here we can see that you can choose either convert to B2C or convert B2C to B2B, right? If you choose to bulk convert your contacts to B2C, you'll be asked if you wish to delete the parent companies of the contact or keep those companies once you've made your selection, please click Convert. If you choose to bulk convert B2C contacts to B2B contacts, you just have to choose here the type of the contact, let's say customer, and then just simply click Convert. Once your conversion is complete, a note is automatically added to the activity outlining that this contact has been converted. I will go back to our slides. And please remember the three key benefits that we have discussed that you will be able to implement immediately to make a significant impact on your CRM data, efficient CRM management, obsolete record controls, and secure updates. I honestly hope you found this session valuable. And now we can go straight to the Q&A session. If you have any questions, please add them into the chat. And in case I don't have an answer to that right now, I will do some research and follow up with you after the webinar. Okay, I can see you don't have any questions. I will give it just maybe a few more seconds in case someone wants to pop in the chat a question.
Sorry, maybe as a comment, just so you know that you cannot really delete things inside the CRM. There is no way to do that at the moment. What we do, I mean, obviously, when you press on delete, it will actually obsolete items or products, and yeah, this is not something that we would recommend because obviously you can unobsolete them, but it wouldn't make it like a permanent unobsolete. So once, for example, the products are obsoleted, like deleted, they are not really deleted, just as I was saying, but they become obsolete. And if you would want them Yeah, if you want to unobsolete them, then that would be a bit tricky. That would be a bit difficult because they wouldn't really show up in the report, but they will actually have to be saved each time.
Thank you, Daniela. Okay, I can see that there are no questions.
I can see actually we do have a
Yeah.
question, sorry, from
Oh,
Amanda. Can you run a report on just obsolete clients? Yes, I think you can do that. Just as maybe Kodruca, maybe go back to the customer report, to a customer report, go back in the
yeah.
That's My Jam account,
Yes.
in our test account.
Yes.
And if you go back to companies, to the companies report,
Yeah.
so this is a report we have at the moment, right? Uh, just close this one. We don't want the bulk update action at the moment.
Okay.
Perfect. So basically, what you would need to do is basically first see if you have any obsolete clients. You can do so by clicking on the three dots right there, filter. And as you can see, it shows up right there. Company, the status flag it's always going to show, is not going to show the deleted ones. Yes. Now please show the deleted ones. So these are basically the contacts and the customers that have been obsoleted. Now, just as I was explaining previously, if I would click right now on the three dots and then perform bulk action right there, let's just say I want to unobsolete them, click on all of them, select all, choose action. Oh, sorry, not choose action, cancel this one. So select all of them. And if you go a bit up right next to the three dots, you can see the save button. This is where you would actually save click on it, please. And basically it saved the report, but it saved it just for the one who actually did this, so we didn't save it for the whole company. um, I think this is already raised as an idea so that we can actually see a report with all of the unobsoleted uh, data inside the CRM. So that's a very good question. Let's see if we have any other questions, and I hope I answered your question, Amanda.
Okay. If there are any questions, Daniela, if you please can let me know, because for some
Yes,
reason it
yes,
doesn't
of
appear in
course.
my. Thank you.
Let's just wait for a few more seconds.
Sure.
And I guess we can close this was a rather short webinar because it's quite of a very easy to use feature. I think it's a very valuable feature, which is why we wanted to show you in a webinar. Not many people know about it, and just as Kodruca mentioned in the beginning, we have a lot of customers asking how they can bulk things inside the CRM. Well, this is it. This is how. And if you have any ideas or ways that we could improve, please let us know. Again, if you have any ideas for other webinars for because we are currently working on what other things we could do webinars on, please again let us know. If you could go to the next slide, Kudruca.
Yes. Please make sure to go to our webinars page where you can see the upcoming webinars, and you can also register to them, but you can also see the previous webinars. And yeah, that was it for today. I want to thank you for attending this session and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.